Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. My dear students, let's start our work with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, dear students, today the date is 21st May 2021. What is the date today? 21st May 2021. And today the day is Friday. What is the day today? Friday. Friday को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? जुमा. Friday को उर्दू में कहते हैं जुमा. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And today is Friday. Okay, my dear students, now take out your math workbook. Today we will do page number 96. My dear students, look at the top of the page. Here are two icons, count and write. Count and write. First of all, we will count the beads. Okay, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Here are 22 beads. Okay, dear students, so our new friend is 22. Which number is this? 22. We will trace the number and then we will write here independently. Okay, my dear student, now look at the board. Okay, dear students, now count the beads again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. How many beads are there? 22 beads. How many beads? 22. So our new friend is 22. Which number is this? 22. Now start the writing. Start from here. 22. What is this? 22. 22. You have to write on the dots neat and clean. 22. Which number is this? Yes, 22. 22. What is this? 22. Okay, dear students, now look at these shapes. Which shape is this? Yes, triangle. Which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Tell me, which shape is this? Yes, square. Which shape is this? Very good, rectangle. And now tell me, which shape is this? Oval. Good. These are called flat shapes. Now look at these shapes. Okay, dear students, tell me, which shape is this? Yes, cone shape. Tell me, which shape is this? Sphere. And this shape is ovoid. These are called solid shapes. Okay, my dear students, now repeat the counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Hope you have understood the lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.